When it comes to Filipino cuisine, all we need to do is to move forward. So if you are with us, support our farmers, support our small businesses. So together, Filipinos, let's move forward.
I want to invite everyone to come over to the MAFBEX Now 2024 and see this awesome area for you to learn, to get new ideas, pick up new raw materials. MAFBEX 2024 is going to be awesome. Come on everyone and check it out.
Sumasali sa MAFBEX at meron po kami mga raffle, giveaway, and discount for 20%. And meron po kami selected item by 50% off.
We're Sweet Kamote and we manufacture kamote chips. Try nyo! Welcome here, it's here.
Come visit us here until Sunday. It's here.
Going to introduce you our Elufa products. So these are locally sourced ube from the Philippines, proudly Pinoy made. So guys, visit us here hanggang 16, nandito kami sa MAFBEX. You can have madaming ingredients from other countries, locally sourced. Andito lahat, packaging, raw materials, and everything.
I think as a sommelier, it's really just all about, commitment and especially passion. You really have to love what it is you're doing.
MAFBEX 2024, it's here!
MAFBEX 2024, it's here!
MAFBEX 2024, it's here!
MAFBEX 2024,